Tired of endless scrolling through search results? Let's unlock a smarter way to find information with Perplexity AI. First, head over to Perplexity AI. You'll see the search bar front and center. Type in your question. For example, let's ask, what are the benefits of using AI for research? Then hit enter. Now, this is where Perplexity shines. Instead of just a list of links, you get a concise answer at the top, with numbered citations pointing directly to the sources used. Hover over those little numbers to preview the source. Click to jump right to the relevant section of the web page where Perplexity got the information. Notice the follow-up question section. Perplexity anticipates what you might want to know next, making your research even faster. Just click on a follow-up question to delve deeper into the topic. Perplexity uses AI to understand the context of your original question. For complex inquiries, try Copilot Mode, which allows you to refine your search by answering follow-up questions. Beyond search, Perplexity can even help you create content. Look for the Create option to generate articles, summaries, and more. And that's it. Perplexity AI is available on desktop and mobile, making smart research accessible wherever you are. Start exploring and see how it can revolutionize your information gathering.